Hello everyone, what I have here is a Litex Vortex ceiling fan in multicolor. This is a 30-inch fan, it's a hugger, and I got this from Nate Girding, which he doesn't have a YouTube channel, so, but he's another fellow fan collector. So yeah, nothing special about these are pretty common. The Litex Vortex is one of the better quality huggers of this style. But, you know, they still have their flaws, like, they're known to be noisy, but the air movement on these are pretty good. It came with a mushroom glow, which I do not have currently on it this time, so yeah. So, we'll fire the fan up here. It's a 3-speed electric reversible fan, and we'll start with low. As you can see, it's already going pretty fast on low. But with the multicolored blades, it does give a pretty cool effect. Close up here of it. I have to kind of make this video quick as my battery's about to die. So, here, that's low. Now we'll go to medium. As you can see with these huggers, they have a pretty loud moan to them. As you can see, it wobbles quite a bit, but that's just because of the way it's installed. This is medium. Now we'll go to high. And as you can see, it's wobbling. And has a pretty noticeable hum to it. But has a pretty steep blade pitch, so it actually moves quite a bit of air at high speed. Which is nice. It's honestly one of the much better quality huggers out there of this style. In fact, I got 3 others laying around here. I got a Heritage version. I believe that's the Walmart version. I also have another one of these Litex versions. That's high on this. You feel the airflow here. Here, my bad. You can't really feel it. Okay, we'll shut her down here. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of my 30-inch Litex Vortex multicolor. Thank you very much for watching. More to come.